I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to cancel the auto renewal on your Paramount app subscription, follow these straightforward steps. Step 1. Open the Paramount app. Launch the Paramount app on your device. Make sure you are logged into the account associated with your subscription. Step 2. Access account settings. Navigate to your account settings by tapping on the account icon, usually located in the top right corner of the screen. Step 3. Manage subscription. In account settings, look for an option labeled Manage Subscription or Subscription. Tap on it to view your current subscription details. Step 4. Cancel auto renewal. Find the option to cancel auto renewal. This may be labeled as Cancel Subscription or Turn off auto renew. Confirm your choice when prompted. Step 5. Check confirmation email. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the srock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Remember, if you don't see the option to cancel, it might be because you subscribe through a third-party service like Apple or Google Play. In that case, you will need to manage your subscription through their respective platforms. Good luck and enjoy your viewing.